Breathe in. And breathe out. One more time, breathe in. One more time, breathe in. Here we have the noble man with word. According to Carrillo Tello's teaching, a noble man is a man of his word. A noble man has a sense of responsibility for his own well-being and that of others in his circle. A noble man rejects any form of abuse, such as physical, emotional, mental, or spiritual, to himself or others. A noble man takes time to reflect, to meditate, and to include ceremony in his life. A noble man is sensitive and understanding. A noble man is like a mirror, reflecting support and clarity to one another. A noble man lives these values honestly and with love. But also, noble men with word, they show they are noble men by keeping their word, speaking from the heart. They don't do anything to hurt themselves or to hurt other people. Noble men take responsibility and accountability for their actions. And noble men are positive example to others. So being a noble man with word, hombre noble con palabra, is one of the keys to continue doing well. Living a life free of violence by implementing lace, which is being loving, being appreciative, that means being thankful, and being compassionate, but also showing empathy for others. Breathe in. And breathe out. And it's always very meaningful to remind ourselves of the four directions. Facing in a good way, with good intentions, the east, which represents a spiritual balance, a new beginning, a continual way of doing great, being peaceful, looking inside to improve our way of seeing things. Then we see the south, And the South always teaches emotional regulation. Emotional regulation has to do with being able to continue improving self-control, being able to express feelings, emotions in a good way, in a responsible way. And then we go to the West. And from the West, we learn about the significance and the importance to maintain physical balance. Being healthy, eating healthier. If you drink alcohol, try your best to drink less until you stop drinking alcohol. Using drugs, we already know it's not healthy, it's not good. It's a very strong addiction. Being able to decrease and stop to continue improving physical balance and always creating a safe space. Then we face and look toward the North. The North teaches mental balance. Has to do with our continual process of identifying, highlighting, and applying our personal strengths, talents, gifts to continue doing well. Mental balance has to do with that potential within ourselves to remain going in the right path, in the right direction, always looking forward to do our very best, always focusing on the positive, and always looking for solutions. Palabra. Breathe in. And breathe out. Thank you for your time. Let's continue doing greatest. Hombres nobles con palabra.